So as some of you know, I'm trying to set up a new little office over there just for some diversity in some shooting, plus just a stand-up desk. It's just more designed for that over there. I reached out to these guys, Satechi, I'm gonna say, and asked them if I could get some gear for that room, and they were nice enough to say yes. So they actually sent me two products. One is the mouse, and one is one of their new full-size mechanical keyboards, which will be coming up hopefully in the next couple of days. This is going to be used, of course, on a Mac, and I've used Satechi gear in the past. I've used some of their keyboards in the past, like their smaller, really thin ones, which really compete with the Apple keyboard. And I use right now a really cheap, inexpensive mouse, which works. It's fine. You know what? I may use it for travel, so just in case it, you know what, it gets lost or whatever, then it's whatever. I won't care. This one here, the M1 wireless mouse, I believe USB-C charging, which I like. They also do make a wired version, I believe, of this too. So if you want to save yourself a couple bucks, they aren't expensive by any means. And I like the color. You can get these. These ones here, I believe, only come in, I think, this color, or they may have like a darker gray version. I'm not 100% sure. But I wanted you guys to see it. And here it is right now. It's a Bluetooth mouse, which again, I like because a lot of the, I want to say, less expensive ones are 2.4 gigahertz, so they require a dongle. This is Bluetooth, which excellent. USB-C port, yeah, for charging, which is also good. I don't know if they say how long it actually lasts on a charge, but my guess is that it all really depends on your usage, right? So this is the box. I'm going to get a knife here and just kind of crack that open. Like I said, I've used a lot of their like MagSafe charging stands, which have been really good. We very much appreciate them. And this is everything in the box. So you are going to get a little, oh yeah, see there's like the darker gray one, right? A user manual. Cool. User manual. You get a decent size USB-C to USB-C cable, which I appreciate that it's a nice long one, that they didn't just cheap out and give you guys something small. And last but not least, there is the mouse. I like that. That's actually not bad. So it's design friendly versus, let's say, a lot of people are really into those, you know, the crazy ergonomic gaming mice. Now, if you're looking for that, you're probably going to want a gaming mouse. But if you're used to the Apple mouse, for instance, this is the Apple mouse here, right? It's a little dirty. That's okay. I use it. Kind of the same size. Now, of course, one of the things that you won't get is the touch features of it. But this is like, I think it's like 20-something dollars, I believe, for the Bluetooth one. And this is way more. So, you know what? And this one has a charging port at the bottom. I still don't understand why they put a charging port on the bottom, because you can't use it while it's charging. That seems silly to me. I don't know if you can charge this one while it's being used. It's USB at the front. See, that just makes way more sense, you know? Why would you not want to put it there? Anyways, this is it. Satechi, right? It's got a on-off, so I always forget to turn them off, so they just constantly discharge. Nice. That's a nice feeling scroll, actually. Buttons seem good. All right, let's see if it's a mouse, right? It's a mouse, and you know what? Do they work? The answer is probably sure. So let's just go in here and see what we can find. So I'm gonna bring up my Bluetooth. I think you guys may be able to see that. I'll bring my computer down or lower. There you go. You should be able to maybe see that. Get that over there. So let's go into Bluetooth. There it is. So you can see my Magic Keyboard, which I have connected, which looks like it needs to be charged. And all I'm gonna do is turn this on. Click, get the nice little Bluetooth pairing light, and it was like instant. It popped up, which is fantastic. Set this up. You know what? You can continue. I don't know why it thinks it's a keyboard. Your keyboard can't be identified. Well, that's because it's not a keyboard, right? So I'm just gonna back and quit that. It should still work. There we go. We're fine. Just quit that. It's not a keyboard. Anyways, there we go. Yeah, that's got a nice tracking speed to it. You know, it is. You know what? What are you gonna say? It's a mouse, right? But if you like the Apple one, it has a very familiar feel to it. Now, of course, you do have the little scrolling thing. Now, again, the one thing I do like about the Apple mouse is the ability to, with the touch, be able to scroll right and left. I do like that. And this one, of course, it doesn't have anything like that. It just kind of has the mouse and the scroll wheel. And I'll bring up just a web browser so we can, see. Scroll wheel, I'm guessing, is going to work fine. It's just a nice looking mouse. If you have, especially if you have a white setup or the silver Macs or stuff like that, or silver Windows computer. These work on Mac and Windows, of course. But scrolling wise, let's just kind of go here. Yeah, like it's nice and quick. It's responsive. It's good. It's nice, right? It's a nice mouse. Anyways, it's not an expensive mouse, which I really like. Again, I think you can get the wired one. I think for like $19. That might be US pricing, and the wireless one or the Bluetooth one here, it's like $29, I believe. So you know what? Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, guys. Anyways, that's a Satechi. I think it's the M1 Bluetooth mouse. Yeah, no, that's nice. I'm okay with that for sure. All right, my friends. I will see you guys next video. Links down below, and that's it. That's all. Go watch some other videos or something. Enjoy your day. I care about you guys. Yeah. All right. Later.